Hi, today we will be setting up VS Code for competitive programming in Ubuntu. You can find the link to this repository in the comments below. The first prerequisite for Ubuntu is to follow the steps 1 and 2 from official VS Code Linux prerequisites. So let's do that. The first one is to install VS Code, download the deb package. You can open a terminal here and type sudo apt get install dot slash code. So that will install VS Code. The next step is to install the C++ extension for VS Code. So you can open VS Code by typing code in the terminal. Go to extensions, type C++, and click install. So this extension is installed now. The second step is to make sure that G++ is installed. So let us execute these two commands. Okay, so the prerequisites are done. Now to install this repository, we should download the repository and extract the folder. So you can come here, download the zip file. Let us extract this. I want to extract it in my documents folder. So it does not matter where you put this folder. You can even rename it. So we can rename it as CP. All of the contents are here. So the next thing is to open it in VS Code. So you can right click, open in terminal and ask code to open here. Let us open a terminal. Now the next thing is we want to be able to execute this script. So we want to allow it to be executable. Type this in the terminal. And now you can execute this script. What this script does is it creates a current folder containing these files. So you can keep all your code here. The advantage of doing it this way is, suppose you code something here and you want to reset all of these, you can just execute this script again and you have it fresh. What it does is it copies all the files from the reset folder into the current folder, and the files in the current folder are overwritten here. You can also arrange the layout. Click on 1.cpp, press shift and click on output. Now all of these are selected. Press enter. This will open all of these files. Right click on input.txt and click on split right. I do not want it to be so big, so this is okay. You can middle click it here to close it. Drag output.txt here, right click and click on split down. Now these three are open. Let me write a dummy code here. Okay, so here I've written some code. Let us execute this. Also before that, let us create a breakpoint here. You can execute it by pressing F5. So this took an input from input.txt, which was 5. So let us see what is the value in 5. You can see it is 5 here. Also, you can go in the debug console and print its value, 5. Uh, let's go to the next step. You can hover over variables to see what value they contain and at the same time print it here. And this should work with any data type. Let it execute and you will get the output here. Another thing I'll recommend is to go to View, Appearance, and Zen mode. Here it is a very clean look, and you can still get the terminal below when you execute. You can press escape twice to exit this. Another thing I'll recommend is to go to your settings, uh, keyboard shortcuts, and create a keyboard shortcut for opening this. The command is code and then the location where you've saved this folder. Let me show you how it works. So when you close this again, you can press Windows and C or whatever the shortcut you created, and it'll open all of it back up. And you can reset this to get ready for your competition by pressing this shortcut. I hope you liked it. If you have any issues, feel free to report them to this repository and I will try and resolve it. Any suggestions are also welcome. So happy coding and I hope you enjoy it.